everyone, welcome to Glory English Language Academy. We are going to learn vocabulary about daily routines in these lessons. Let's get started. A. Match the phrases in the box with photos AH below which phrase is not in the photos. Daily routines နေ့စဉ်နေ့တိုင်းပုံမှန်လို့လှုပ်ရှားသွားလာမှု phrases တွေနဲ့ A to H ပုံတွေနဲ့တွဲပေးရမယ်။ပြီးတော့ပုံထဲမှာမပါတဲ့ phrase ကိုလည်းရှာပေးရမယ်။အရင်ဆုံး box ထဲမှာပေးထားတဲ့ phrases တွေကိုကြည့်ရအောင်။ Get up, go to bed, have breakfast, get home, have lunch, start work or school, leave home, finish work or school, have dinner. Now let's match. Picture A, get up. Picture B, leave home. C, get home. Picture D, go to bed. E, finish work or school. Picture F, have breakfast. Picture G, get work or school. Picture H, have lunch. ဒီပုံတွေထဲမှာမပါတဲ့ phrase က have dinner. Let's call it a day. Bye bye.